Today, nearly all Volkswagen parking brakes are electromechanical and no longer only cable-driven. The rear brake calipers need to be retracted or placed into service mode in order to perform brake maintenance. I'll demonstrate this function on a 2016 Volkswagen Tiguan, chassis code 5N2, using the iSCAN SF and our Volkswagen Enhanced software. Tap Diagnostic. Tap Euro. Tap Volkswagen. Tap Service Function. Tap OBDII Connector. Tap 5N Tiguan after 2008 USA. Tap Service Function. Tap Chassis System. Tap Electronic Parking Brake Pads Change. Connect a suitable vehicle power supply. Be sure parking brake is switched off. Press Enter to continue. Tap Enter Maintenance Mode. The parking brake will retract. You should hear the motors running. Once retracted, wait 30 seconds. You can now perform the necessary rear brake maintenance or repair. Press Exit when work being performed is complete. Tap Exit Maintenance Mode. After 30 seconds, press Exit to return the previous menu. It's not a bad idea to read and clear fault codes set during your repairs. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos for tips and procedures for Volkswagen vehicles.